Welcome. I want to invite you to something unique. Discovering ACES is for all to come and see firsthand some of the drone technologies beginning to develop and meet some of the skillful pilots who operate them. The use of UAVs and automated systems is no longer the distant future. It is right now. Join us at Discovering ACES to explore the innovations, adaptive solutions, and regulations that will forever alter your communities, businesses, and industries. You are the drone operators of tomorrow and the beneficiaries of the services they provide. So register now at discoveringaces.com and learn how to contribute within the drone community on April 24th, 2021. But seats are limited. And to thank you for joining us, we are giving away 2 UAVs to jumpstart your voyage into this new frontier. So make sure you save it on your calendar, April 24th, 2021 at discoveringaces.com. That's discoveringaces.com. And this is the new frontier.